think about putting on a bib and you think about feeding the baby, right? But not in Christchurch, no. Parents are wearing them to watch their youngsters play rugby league. The bibs carry a message encouraging fair play, and they're the brainchild of the Canterbury Rugby League, fed up with parents who act like big babies and spit the dummy on the sidelines.
It's supposed to be about fun, but for some of these kids, Saturday morning rugby was becoming an ordeal.
We felt that the parents were, abusing the referees and the kids too much.
Concern over growing sideline abuse at junior rugby league games sparked the idea for the Fair Play bibs and their message. They're aimed at encouraging parents to yell support, not abuse at the youngsters and the referees. It seems to be working.
It just makes everybody realise it's the kids' game and you've got to play fairly.
Gives the kids a bit of support, make the parents think about what they're saying.
I've noticed it's just not the same aggro that you could be on, with the parents. They do get kind of wind up.
Here, parents are generally content to shout at anyone who'll listen, but in a recent Australian junior soccer match, tempers boiled over, and organisers want to discourage scenes like these here. And they want to stop referees saying they've had enough.
Referees, they come in for a year and then actually go because, they're having abuse against them.
With sideline distractions turned down, the youngsters can now get on with the game and hopefully come to understand how to be a good sport, whatever the result. Belinda Gocher, 3 News.
So there you go, Mum and Dad. Toss your toys in the air. You've got to wear a bib like the babies, but of course, us TV presenters don't throw tantrums, do we, Darren?
Except when the Wallabies win.
Oh, turn it up.